Let me see the butterfly. Let me see the butterfly. And the house. And the sun. And the big red nose. That's very nice.
Oh, this is a colorful block.
Almost looks like an exclamation point.
It's a colorful block.
And let's see the nails. Very nice. Hold them still. Stop. All right. Very nice.
I'm done it and I know it.
Gonna do more green?
No, I'm doing my second coat.
Oh, okay.
Wait, are you posting this on YouTube?
You want me to?
Yeah.
All right, say peace out.
Peace out.